Long, narrow gardens are always challenging. And here's another idea for how to make your garden feel wider. As you can see, this garden is particularly narrow with a very straight path, but it has a beautiful summer house at the end, which we want to incorporate. But it's difficult to make a garden when you don't have much width. So the design that we have to create must give the sense of width. And we need to make it feel that when you're using the garden, you don't feel cramped and that there's a reason to walk the entire length. Our vision is dominated by straight lines. We notice straight lines and we naturally follow straight lines to the end. And in a narrow garden like this, all the straight lines will focus your attention to whatever is at the end of the garden. Now, if that's attractive, great, we can make a feature of it. But in order to create width, we need to lose the straight lines. And then we've got to work out how we make that end feature attractive. Now, a really good way to make a garden feel wider is to not have a direct straight path that follows the line of the fences. If we angle the paths, we can then walk along the garden to where we want to sit, and this then gives us spaces that we can use for either lawn or planting. Let's put this into the garden now. So we're going to try and lose this straight line and create a sense of the garden being wider by putting in a curved path so that we can amble along the garden. This then provides us with spaces that we can use to plant or to have lawn. Now, in this particular instance, a lawn is needed, but also this particular person wanted to have a lot of space for planting. The lawn is not going to be the main feature in this garden, it is the border of the plants. So you can see now how the garden will take shape. It doesn't feel narrow anymore because we filled it from one side. And here is work in progress. So now all that's left is the planting. So use skinny plants, tall, vertical, thin ones. Blur those fence lines. Use mirrors and reflections to bounce light and images from one side to the other. And don't follow the fence line. And you'll create a garden that feels wider than it is. If you'd like some specific design advice or help for your garden, we offer a brilliant video consultation service. Simply book your call at plantplots.com, and I look forward to speaking with you soon.